The benefits of going double OP in Unity. So double OP stands for object oriented programming. Therein lies the brilliance of object oriented programming. It allows us to share elements between programming languages and code in modular fashion. So there is a benefit in using object oriented programming. Using objects allow us to borrow elements from other programmers and implement them in our own code. So we are borrowing elements from other programmers and we are implementing them in our own code. This also lends itself perfectly to more open source and collaborative form of development. So this is allowing us to perfectly move to open source and collaborate form of development, which is good for software industry as whole. For us, double OP also lets us keep things neatly organized in logical chunks rather than having one huge file that determines behavior of everything in our game world. Instead, we have game objects all with their own script. Unity helps make things even clearer by giving a visual representation of those game objects and keeping most of complicated stuff hidden. On, on other hand, it is much more complicated, largely owing to need to get your head around classes, methods and objects. In Unity, objects really are objects much of the time and we can literally move them around within our project as tangible units. Unity is a perfect introduction to game object oriented code. Then we then when you eventually make the transition to a less visual type of code, will help to imagine your classes and object exist in a similar way. Hopefully, if we were being pedantic, it would probably make more sense for us to put our code for dying in the player script rather than the hazard script, which are really classes. Dying is a behavior of a player, and so it makes more sense for it to be method of that class. Remember, classes describe objects and behaviors. To do this, we would simply move the code over public method and make necessary changes. Then we would invoke that method from within hazards by writing player.dying. When code gets larger, though, when you are working as a team or when the game is more resource intensive, being as elegant as possible in your code starts to pay off.